Do you want to decorate your bathroom with plants? Then you have come to the right place. In this video from the Daily Echo, we recommend 10 plants to decorate your bathroom. Number 1. Aglaonema. If you want to give a different touch to one of the most intimate rooms of your house, we recommend Aglaonema. It does not need much care and grows perfectly in humid and dark environments. Since it's a plant of tropical origin, the bathroom is a great place for this plant. Number 2. Aspidistra. This plant, native to Asia, can grow in any shady spot in your home, including the bathroom. You just need to water it in moderation and make sure that the soil stays moist. It also appreciates rooms with high humidity to maintain the good condition and brightness of its large green leaves. Number 3. Bamboo. Bamboo originates from Asia and it's one of the most common ways to decorate the bathroom with plants. Whether your bamboo grows in soil, water, or even gel beds, this plant will thrive without any special care. It only needs a place where it is kept moist and receives a few hours of indirect light. This plant offers a touch of elegance and relaxation for such an intimate space as a bathroom. Number 4. Calathea. Like most tropical plants, Calathea needs indirect light and moisture to grow. It is very important to keep the substrate slightly moist, except in the winter, when we recommend letting it dry between waterings. This plant also tolerates high temperatures. Number 5. Dieffenbachia. It is one of the most popular species for growing indoors because it does not tolerate much light and does not require daily care. Dieffenbachia is best known for its greenish leaves, which have a variety of markings on the upper surface. Number 6. Spider plant. A classic option when it comes to decorating the interior and exterior of our homes. Spider plant, also known as spider ivy, is also a perfect choice for the bathroom, giving it the natural touch you want. They are very easy to grow and they thrive in the shade and in humid environments. Before we continue, we will put you to the test. Which of the plants we have named so far is the one you see in the picture? Option A. Aglaonema. Option B. Calathea. Option C. Dieffenbachia. Think about it carefully, because at the end of the video, you can check if you were right. Number 7. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a plant known for its many properties and resilience. So if your bathroom has little natural light, we recommend an aloe vera to decorate this intimate space with the pleasant greenish color of its fleshy leaves. In addition, you can also use its gel to benefit from its many properties. Number 8. Striped dracaena. Since they are tropical plants, they need a humid environment and a temperature above 15 degrees Celsius to grow optimally. You just need to water it from time to time and expose them to indirect light, which can be natural or artificial. Number 9. Peace lily. Peace lily is able to purify the air by retaining polluting particles. It can grow without problems at temperatures above 18 degrees Celsius and does not require any special care. Number 10. Philodendron. Like many tropical plants, Philodendron has broad, bright green leaves that require moisture to grow. For this reason, it is a perfect choice for a bathroom. It can easily grow in rooms with more than 20 degrees Celsius and does not require direct light for its development. And going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? The correct answer is B. The plant in the picture is a Calathea. So tell us, would you like to decorate your bathroom with any of these plants? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time!